dance tutorial. Here at Learn How to Dance, we can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, a lot of you have been requesting how to do the Freestylin Fortnite dance emote. Thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Cringe Boy, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna start off like this, feet apart, and our arms are here, yeah? Now we wanna do a sitting motion or squatting motion, and our arms are gonna come up like this, yeah? So the elbows are leading the way, whoop. Yeah, doing this wavy motion. So, like that. As soon as we've done that, the right arm swings to the left side, and it's slightly bent. It's not completely straight, it's here. And when it's here, I'm pulling up my left leg like that. So all the weight is on my right now. So I have to prepare, switching the weight to the right side. Whoop. I was here, here. So we're doing squat, lift. This is 1, and from here, you want to put down your left leg, whoop, and you want to continue this sitting or squatting motion, yeah, keeping your arm here, and then you want to go up, pulling your elbows up like this, yeah, and then down. So I did squat, left leg up, down, sit, up. From here, you know what? Let's just practice that part. So we're gonna go squat, lift, sit, arms up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Now for the next part, you want to practice doing this wormy motion. Yeah, here. So your head is leading the way, yeah, and you want to start with your head, your body, and then your leg at the end, and then you want to switch here, here, here. You know what, let's practice a more simple version. So you're just gonna go tilt to the left, leg out, tilt, left, yeah. So when you start tilting to the right, you're gonna bring your leg in, and then you wanna take your left leg out, yeah. So tilt here, tilt here, tilt here, tilt, tilt here. Let's just do that. Okay, now we're gonna go tilt to the left, right. Now the left leg is coming to the front here, whoop, because we want to prepare for the next move. So we're gonna go here and there, and now the arms are saying, which is a squat, lift, down, up. Here, when it's coming down, we're starting our tilting, whoop. Yeah, so they stay here, and now you wanna bring your left arm here when the left leg goes out, then it follows here. So we squat, up, down, up, tilt, and here. Okay, so let's practice from the tip top. We're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, so we just did worm. Now it's important here at the end that you're turning a bit to the right side here, yeah, because you want to prepare for the next move. And the next move is you're taking a small step with your left here, whoop, and then you want to lean to the front and say right bend, kick, jump, kick, jump. So left, kick, jump. And this kick jump is you wanna take your right leg, straighten it before you say small jump. Tap, 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 tap. So you're just doing it into the front, tap, tap. So from here, tap, tap, you wanna lean back and then say left hand. So you go front, kick, and back, kick, and. Let's just practice that. So we're gonna go step left, kick, and left, kick, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, kick, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, kick, and. The arms are gonna go right is swinging, whoop. So I'm saying whoop, and left, and so it's right and left, and right and left, and so when you combine it, it's left, swing, and swing, and. So left, swing, and swing, and. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, swing, and swing, and. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, swing, and swing, and. All right, let's take it from the tip, tip, top. So quick recap. Starting here, squatting on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Now you just said boom, tap, boom, tap. From here, you want to jump down like this, yeah? So you were here, you're saying jump. And at the same time, you want to say ha. So left arm is down here, right arm is preparing to do the drums. So I'm here, I want to say ta, and so from here I'm jumping up like that, yeah? So broken knee shape kind of thing. And the arms are here to my right side. And from here I want to take my arms, throw it to the left side. And at the same time my leg is going open. So I was closed, open. From here, open. Here, open. So I just did boom, ha, boom, ha. From here, jump, ta, ta, jump up, ta. And if you want, you can add another detail, which is look. So I did up, look. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, look. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, look. Alright, so from here, the last move is jump down. And then you repeat it all over. Whoop, yeah? Okay, so let's take the new part again. So we did boom, ta, and drums, broken knee, look, down. Again from the jumping down part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 jump, open, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 and open and down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, da, da, close, open, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, da, da, close, open, ha. Alright, let's take it from the tip, tip, top. So we're starting with the squat. We're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, and 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Freestylin Fortnite dancing move. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.